Synergy Ford Super Duty Single Steering Stabilizer Kit for the 2005 to current Ford Super Duty F250 and F350, or the 2005 to current Ford Super Duty F450, F550, and F600. Make sure the vehicle is parked on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park or in gear with the parking brake set. For the purposes of this video for clarity, we have lifted the vehicle. Begin by removing the 3 bolts on the differential housing on the passenger side. Install the Synergy single stabilizer bracket to the housing with the 3 supplied bolts and lock washers. These bolts will be torqued in the end process. Just snug them down for now. Bolt the shaft side of the stabilizer onto the bracket using the supplied 2.5 inch long 1/2 inch bolts. Turn the steering all the way to the passenger side. Ensure that it stays full passenger lock. Bolt the stabilizer to the tie rod clamp using the 2.25 inch long 1/2 inch bolt. One standard washer will be placed between the head of the bolt and the stabilizer bushing. The 3/8 inch tall spacer will be placed between the stabilizer bushing and the clamp assembly. Compress the stabilizer about 1/4 inch and bolt the 40-50-75 clamp to the tie rod. Ensure the vehicle is still turned fully to the passenger side before bolting the clamp on. Torque the Allen head bolts to 15 foot-pounds with a 7/32 Allen wrench. Torque the bolts on the stabilizer to 70 foot-pounds. Evenly tighten and torque the bolts that hold the single stabilizer bracket to the axle. Torque to 30 foot-pounds. Turn the steering from full driver to full passenger to verify the stabilizer does not fully compress or fully extend through the entire travel of the steering. If the stabilizer does fully compress or extend before the steering hits the axle stop, remove and reinstall the tie rod clamps to get the correct mounting location so that you can achieve full steering lock. Installation is now complete. For more information on this product or other Synergy products, visit us at synergymfg.com.